Would you believe this broken bucket is actually over 150 years old? Yes, this isn't just any bucket. It's an antique ice cream maker from 1875. Picture this. Back in the late 1800s, before refrigerators or modern gadgets, families would gather around a machine just like this. Ice, salt, cream, sugar, and a whole lot of patience. Kids sat nearby waiting for the moment they could taste the coldest, sweetest treat of their time. But as decades passed, this piece of joy was forgotten, left to rust in an attic, until today, because I decided to bring it back to life. Piece by piece, every part was cleaned, polished, and restored. Until slowly, the 1875 magic started shining again. After 150 years, this antique ice cream maker looks ready to spread happiness once more. Watch part 2 to see the full reveal. And want to see more forgotten treasures restored like this? Stick around, hit follow, and don't miss the next one.